Welcome, my dear friends, to our new lesson. In this lecture, we'll learn how to display a pop-up to show attributes from a feature layer using the ArcGIS API for JavaScript. Pop-ups enhance user interaction by displaying detailed information about each feature layer. By the end of this session, our application will show pop-ups with formatted attributes, including basic text, charts, and tables. Imagine a map system. Today, we'll bring this experience to life by learning how to configure pop-ups that display essential data with just a click. By mastering pop-ups, we'll be able to create a user-friendly experience that brings valuable data to the forefront, making it more accessible and insightful for users. Learning objectives. Remember key components such as feature layers and pop-up configurations and their roles in displaying data. Understand how to set up and format pop-ups to show data attributes from feature layers. Apply configuration settings to define pop-up templates. This part of the lecture will cover setting up the project in Visual Studio Code, adding the ArcGIS libraries, and basic map structure. Creating pop-up templates. Configuring pop-ups to display attribute values in a formatted layout. Adding charts and tables. Learning how to display data in charts and tables within pop-ups. Exploring related concepts. Defining essential terms such as feature layers, feature services, pop-up template, and more. Step-by-step implementation guide. Step 1. Setting up the project in Visual Studio Code. 1. Open Visual Studio Code and create a new HTML file. Call it display pop-up. Now, let's start by writing a normal HTML code. And this code contains a container where the map will be displayed. And this HTML code contains the ArcGIS API for JavaScript. Very excellent. The page appeared wonderfully and beautifully. And we can also see feature layers. Now let's click on any location to see the pop-up window appear. And this is our goal in this lesson. And this pop-up window contains information about the location. Very excellent. Conclusion. In this lecture, we added pop-ups to our map, enhancing user interaction by displaying feature attributes, charts, and tables. Pop-ups improve data accessibility, allowing users to view relevant information easily and intuitively. By mastering these tools, we've enriched the user experience, making data exploration on the map more engaging. Evaluation. How well do you understand the purpose of pop-ups in the clinic management map? How well do you understand the purpose of pop-ups in a map? Were you able to implement pop-up templates to display attributes, charts, and tables? Do you feel confident setting up different types of media content in pop-ups? See you in the next lecture. Goodbye, my dear friends.